Hi, we're team number 20, and here is our pitch. So firstly, I'd like to begin with our problem and opportunity. So anxiety and stress has negative consequences for the individual, with their health and relationship, and is also costly and bad for companies. So a couple of statistics to back this up is 77% of people are experiencing physical symptoms, and 73% of people are experiencing psychological symptoms related to stress in the past month. 40% of job turnover is also due to stress, and replacing an average employee costs about 120 to 200% of the salary of the position affected. So more specifically, moving into music therapy and EEG to reduce stress, music therapy is scientifically an effective strategy. It's important to use music therapy regularly for the highest effectiveness, and we envision a future where EEG measurement devices are as common as health trackers worn around the wrist, allowing the user to get information about their mental state and improve it. That could be the value to our proposition. We give real-time feedback about the brain state of the user, allowing therapy to be individualized and adaptive to the user's state of improving the quality of their therapy.
This is our solution to the problem. It's an app which connects to EEG devices via Bluetooth and uses a machine learning algorithm to determine how well music therapy is actually working to reduce stress. It will be able to connect to a variety of EEG devices, such as caps or headphones and earbuds with EEG built in, to make it much easier to adopt. On a more technical level, our product works by connecting to EEGs and recording signals in the form of CSV file format. Then, by taking a test before and after music therapy, we can use a machine learning algorithm to denoise it and see how well the music therapy is actually working. This is a short demonstration of our app. To view the instructions, you can click on the instructions page and it'll give you a list of instructions on how to use the app. To connect to an EEG device, you can click the top button and connect to a device there. You can also hit the Refresh Devices button to refresh the list of devices shown. This is just an example device to show you how the app would work. Then, to run a test, you can hit the Run Test button and choose for any amount of minutes that you want to record on the EEG. After you're done running your test, you'll be able to analyze your data. Here it would show your current test that you just ran and also previous tests that you ran before. To analyze them, you would just click a button here and select them, and the machine learning algorithm would compare the benchmark and the after music test. So the results indicate that you're on the right track, which means that the music therapy is indeed working to reduce your stress. And that's the demo of our app.
Next up is our third topic, our business model. Firstly, individuals. Our idea for individuals is that they pay for a music app and an EEG device either in a one-time payment or in a subscription model, with the goal to reduce their individual stress. Then companies. They could pay for the technology so that all their employees have access, reducing the money that they need to spend on mental health issues, as we discussed before, with the hiring process costing 120 to 200% of the average salary. Also, integrating with other apps such as Brain FM and other similar apps. They could pay us for integrating our tech within their mental health apps, as they follow the goal of targeting big companies and improving their technology for individuals as well. Nextly is our market plan. Our strategy for our market is to start with approaching companies to gain a steady income flow and ultimately finalize our product to expand our market to individuals and other apps.
This is our competitive analysis. We could partner with EEG companies so that way we could focus more on the software side of things rather than the hardware, or we could also partner with Brain FM and other brain state modulating apps to integrate our softwares together and make them work better. The main difference between our idea and the companies that are already out there is that we are focusing on mental health, while the ones that are out there focus on using EEG and brain states for meditation. This is our team. As you can see from the slide, we all have similar interests in computer science with a focus in healthcare. However, our unique perspectives allow us to work together as a team to most effectively tackle this challenge.
Moving into our current status and our future plan. So firstly, we have a couple pre-processing steps. This is just a couple various graphs. So firstly, we have an EOG graph, which is the optical sense, which we have to remove to make our data actually clean. We also have a cleaning graph and then our current frequency adaptation graph. Moving into our timeline, 1 month, we hope to continue prototyping. At 2 months, we hope to reach out to larger companies to get more interest. 6 months, we hope to finalize our development. And 1 year, we hope to expand individuals. We have a couple acknowledgments to note. Anyi Lin, he helped us significantly with programming, and the Mental Lab allowed us to use their API and EEG device. Thank you, and we are excited for further steps.